Hi everyone, Melissa here with Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is sequence. Next week's theme will be anything with an arch. So however you interpret that, go ahead and use that hashtag, as well as hashtag Satmorn Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood, and the ladies' links will be down below. So this week I am using an old retired die from my creative time, which is Pretty Treat Topper die. So I'm using that, as well as the Circus Clown Ephemera. I'm also using Let the Fun Begin stamp and dies. And then the Shaker Scallop Balloon dies, and I'm using one from the star and one from the regular balloon from there, and as well as the Pastel Party 2026 paper pack. That was this adorable little treat bag topper with sequins in it, so I thought that was perfect. And I used these colors to create my sequence, and I just pulled out a bunch of colors that were in my stash, but I love how that sequence turned out. I usually have a little bit of a hard time trying to put some sequence colors together, but focusing on the colors that were from the paper pack made it so easy, and I really like that. And then I got the little girl popped up, pop dots there, and I did add some glitter on top of the little girl, as well as on the balloons. Can't hardly see it on the other balloon, but I did add it on there, and then I just popped some little gems down. But love that sequence mix. I was so proud of myself. So anyways, if you have the time and you want to join in with us, make sure you use the hashtag or both hashtags. And if we don't come by and happen to see your video, leave a comment saying, hey, can you come by and see what I created? Because we don't see everything. So anyways, that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.